So I'm going to show you today this really cute bun hairstyle hack that makes you look like you've got this curly bangs or curly fringe coming forward. It's super easy. I've curled half the hair so you don't have to watch me do that because it's super boring. I'm going to curl the top half and then I'll show you how to put the bun in. So I've chosen quite a narrow barrel here. I just think it looks better when you bring the hair forward onto the forehead if the curl is quite a tight curl. I've tried it with a larger barrel and it just doesn't work. So I'm just splitting up these curls gently because I don't want to create frizz. So just gently just taking, so if you start at the ends and work your way up with a curl, so don't just split it from the top. Next, what you're going to do, guys, is don't take a brush, just take your fingers and you're just going to shake this hair up all the way around. So put your fingers in and just shake it up. So you're going to get a hair tie or hair elastic, okay? Grab hold of the ponytail and you're going to pull that through. Grab hold of it again, pull that through, and then we're going to do one more turn and we're just going to pull that through again. So next what you're going to do is just grab hold of this bun and just start pinning that into place. And we want this style to look messy, not kind of like too done. And then I'm just kind of pinning these front curls into place. So just kind of teasing them where I want them to sit. I want that bit to kind of come down a bit low. So you've got kind of like a messy bun at the back. I've teased these bits down. Coming to the side, I've kind of positioned the hair going that way a little bit, but that's up to you. You can kind of do it more centrally if you want to. Come into the front there, so she's got like a little curly bangs, which looks so cute. And then this side, we've just left a little bit more down. So let me know in the comments if you think this is an easy style, and I'll be back soon with more styles.